Did you know that Bhaktapur, also known as the City of Devotees, boasts a history dating back to the 12th century? Now, the question is, what hidden treasures and cultural wonders await us in this city of timeless beauty? Let's explore the captivating secrets of Bhaktapur, known for its rich heritage and breathtaking architecture. Make sure to stick around till the end, because we have also prepared a great idea for a nearby day trip from Bhaktapur. So let's dive right in. Our first stop in Bhaktapur takes us to the heart of the city, the iconic Bhaktapur Durbar Square. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is an embodiment of Nepal's rich history and artistic brilliance. Meet the living goddess Kumari, a young girl revered as the living embodiment of the goddess Telaju. The Kumari lives in the Kumari Gar, a traditional palace in Bhaktapur Durbar Square. She only appears in public on special occasions and during religious festivals, making an encounter with her a truly unique experience. At the center of the square stands the magnificent Nyatapola Temple, a 5-story pagoda that is an architectural marvel. It's not only a testament to the city's craftsmanship, but also a symbol of the city's resilience, having survived numerous earthquakes over the centuries. Adjacent to the Nyatapola Temple is the 55-window palace, another architectural masterpiece. Its intricately carved wooden windows and doors are a true reflection of newer craftsmanship. Take your time to admire the exquisite woodwork that adorns this royal palace. Don't forget to pass through the stunning Golden Gate, a gilded masterpiece that leads to the Telaju Temple complex. Exploring Bhaktapur isn't just about history. It's also about savoring the flavors of Newari Cuisine, a culinary tradition deeply rooted in the culture of the Kathmandu Valley. Begin your gastronomic journey at Bhaktapur's bustling food market. Here, you'll find an array of spices, fresh produce, and local delicacies that will awaken your taste buds. For an immersive experience, consider taking a cooking class where you can learn to prepare traditional Newari dishes. From momo dumplings to yomari, these classes offer a hands-on opportunity to master the secrets of Newari cuisine. Visit one of Bhaktapur's local eateries where you can savor authentic Newari meals. Don't miss the chance to try bara, a savory lentil pancake, or juju dough, the famous Newari yogurt often served with a dollop of jaggery. For a grand experience, indulge in a Newari boji, a traditional Newari feast that includes a multitude of dishes served on a large platter. It's a delightful way to sample a wide range of flavors and textures. Many restaurants in Bhaktapur offer the unique experience of dining in beautiful courtyards surrounded by traditional architecture and lush gardens. It's the perfect setting to enjoy your Newari meal while immersing yourself in the city's ambience. Our journey through Bhaktapur continues as we explore its artistic heritage at the local pottery workshop. Bhaktapur is renowned for its pottery, and visiting these workshops offers a chance to witness the ancient craft that has been passed down through generations. Step into one of the pottery workshops, and you'll be greeted by the rhythmic sounds of potters shaping clay on their wheels. The skill and precision of these artisans are truly remarkable. Watch as intricate designs are meticulously painted onto the pottery. Many of these designs are inspired by Bhaktapur's rich cultural heritage, featuring motifs from temples, gods, and mythical creatures. Feel the clay beneath your fingers as you try your hand at pottery. It's a hands-on experience that allows you to connect with the local culture and appreciate the artistry that goes into each piece. To complete our Bhaktapur adventure and experience the serene beauty of the region, we make our way to Dhulikhel, a popular hill station that offers a tranquil escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Dhulikhel is a beloved destination for both locals and travelers seeking solace in the lap of nature. Dhulikhel is renowned for its panoramic views of the Himalayan range. The sight of snow-capped peaks against the clear blue sky is a breathtaking experience that draws nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. Embark on one of the many hiking trails that crisscross the lush landscape surrounding Dhulikhel. Whether you're a seasoned trekker or a casual hiker, there are routes to suit all levels, offering the opportunity to explore the picturesque countryside. And there you have it, fellow travelers, the best places to visit and things to do in Bhaktapur. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest adventures. Join us next time on Travel Navigator as we uncover more breathtaking treasures from around the globe. Until then, happy travels!